Hello students, this is Nilofer, your English teacher. Today in this video we'll learn some grammar in which we'll learn today editing or omission. Okay, it is there in your syllabus. So editing means here maybe one paragraph is given, the passage is given which has not been edited. It means some incorrect words are there or some missing words are there. These editing is there in two ways. Either the word is missing or some mistakes are there in the paragraph, in the passage. So you have to find out from each line. Okay. So how will you find out what is the easiest way to do editing? That we'll see in this video today. So the tips I am giving you, through that you will understand how to find the errors, how to identify it, how to find out missing words. Okay. See now, read the passage carefully. First of all, what you have to do, you don't have to read one line and then write the answer. No, not like that. You have to read full passage first. After reading the full passage, you have to identify the tense of passage, that which tense it is written in. We are having three tenses, correct? So, in which tense the passage is written, that you have to identify. Next thing, underline the error or identify the missing word. These are the two ways. First, it should be error, or other one is identify the missing word. If you are getting it very easily, then underline it. Then look for errors or missing words in the use of. Then what would be the correct one? That you have to find out. Okay. And what would be the errors in the passage? See, it can be in the way of determiners. It can be in the ways of tenses or verb. It can be in the way of subject-verb agreement, non-finites, relatives, connectors, comparatives, modals, prepositions, gender or singular plural. These can be the mistakes in the passage. Or yes, one more thing, it can be spelling mistake would be also there. It means the words which are having same pronunciation but spelling is different. Like if we talk about here, so H-E-A-R here and H-E-R-E here. So, maybe H-E-A-R here comes in the passage, but they have written H-E-R-E here. So, that you have to find out. See now, example I will show you according to that, so that you will understand it properly. See now, solved exercise I will take here. The following passage has not been edited. There is one error in each line. Underline the error and write the incorrect word in the correction. The first one has been done as an example. So first of all, see, you will get from the example also, you will get the idea. Okay. So here incorrect word correction is given, greater and greatest. First what we will do, we will read full passage to find out the mistakes properly. So inactivity is the greater cause of overweight these days. People physical activity had decreased these days. The main reason is there are many labor saving devices. They does not want to walk on foot. They spend enough time sitting and watch television. Their excess weight make them sick and they have to spend money in medicine. See, while reading only we got to know something is wrong in the passage. We are not getting it clearly because there are the errors. Incorrect words are there. If you will keep the correct words, then only you will get the correct meaning. So first is done already. Inactivity is the greater cause of overweight. So it is given greater, should be kept in greatest. Next one, let's find out. Greatest cause of overweight these days, people physical activity. Now, people physical activity, is that okay? No, people's physical activity will come, no, here. So that is the mistake. Instead of people, people's will come. People's physical activity had decreased. See now here, we are talking in the present tense and had is written. So what will come here? Has decreased these days. The main reason is there are many labor saving devices. Is will come here. The main reason being there, okay, is there not, but being there are many labor saving devices. Next line, they does not want to walk on foot. Obviously, they is plural form. Okay, then with plural does never comes. So they do not want to walk on foot. Next line, they spend enough time sitting. Enough time or more time? See now, they spend more time sitting and watch television. So here enough will not come, but more will come. And even watch will also not come. They spend more time sitting, ing is there, so with watch also ing will come. Sitting and watching television. Their excess weight make them. See now again here weight is the singular, so here makes will come. Makes them sick and they have to spend money in medicine, not but on medicine. See, we got all the errors in it, so like that you have to complete it. In this passage you got the mistakes. Now another passage I am taking in which something is missing, that you have to find out. See now here some word has been omitted in each line. Put a slash where the word has been omitted. There you have to keep the slash. Write the missing word in the space provided. See now, one thing we all must do to cooperate with police and pay heed to their advice. They warn us not touch unidentified, unclaimed, suspicious objects like transistors, briefcases, etc. We need watch out for abandoned cars, scooters, report the details such objects to the nearest police control room, dialing 100. One should not touch the objects till the bomb disposal squad arrives. See now we got to know that some words are missing. It is not perfect. Let's find out which words are missing. Now see the first line. One thing we all must do to cooperate. Is that okay? No, one thing we all must do is to cooperate. Next line, with police and pay heed to their advice. See now with police, no, with the police will come here. They warn us not touch unidentified. What will come here? They warn us not to touch unidentified. Unidentified, unclaimed. Unidentified and unclaimed will come. Suspicious objects like transistors, briefcases, etc. We need watch. We need watch? No, we need to watch. Okay. We need to watch out for abandoned cars, scooters, report the what? Scooters report what? Scooters and report the details of such objects to the nearest police control room. By dialing 100. What is this? Control room dialing 100? No. Control room by dialing 100. One should not touch the objects till the bomb disposal squad arrives. Now if you'll keep these missing words in the paragraph, then you'll understand it well. See, I'll keep it. One thing we all must do is to cooperate with the police and pay heed to their advice. See completely. They warn us not to touch unidentified and unclaimed suspicious objects like transistors, briefcases, etc. We need to watch out for abandoned cars, scooters and report the details of such objects to the nearest police control room by dialing 100. One should not touch the objects till the bomb disposal squad arrives. So these are the two ways of omission. Now one unsolved exercise also I am giving you that you have to solve. In this exercise, slash you will keep and then you will keep the missing word as according to you. These words may vary, okay, in the prepositions, but the sentence must be meaningful. That is the main thing you have to keep in mind. So here, this was the grammar topic, omission and editing we have completed here. You have to practice it well. If you are having any confusion, you may call me. Thank you.